channel Great Webbing. This is a web development technology learning channel. So as you see, I already uploaded many videos on web technologies, different web technologies, starting from very basic HTML, say HTML tutorial, and then HTML different tutorials for learning HTML step by step. Also for CSS, one video is there. So also JavaScript tutorial is there, and also I have started a PHP series, learning on PHP development and PHP language here, and I already uploaded 10 11 different tutorial on PHP for different topics. Okay, so you just watch all these videos, and if you find it valuable, and if it add values to your learning, you just give a like, and also subscribe my channel, hitting the bell icons, so that whenever I upload the next video, you'll get a notification and you will get to learn from my video. Okay, so my purpose is to share my knowledge and experiences on different web technologies, from like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, jQuery, Bootstrap, and all the web development technologies in this through this tutorial channel. Okay, so already I got many requests from candidates or students that what trainings you provide online, they wanted to know. Okay, so and some candidates are right now very much eager to learn PHP development course. Okay, and PHP is very important technology in web development, and it has always be popular, and it's a core programming language for server side programming, and you can create any dynamic website using PHP with MySQL. Okay, so if you have average knowledge, or if you have some knowledge about HTML and CSS, and you can go for the PHP training course. Okay, so I basically provide all the development web development trainings, and these trainings I provide online interactive courses. Okay, through the online interactive sessions. So I start from the very basic. If you wanted to join my course, I provide course online training course on HTML, CSS, then Bootstrap, then complete JavaScript training, then jQuery training, and PHP training, MySQL training, and WordPress training also. Okay, so today I'll show you what are the different topics and modules I'll cover in my basically cover in my PHP complete training course with MySQL. Okay, so this course is basically for them who wanted to be a web developer, basically backend developer, and who have eager to join in web development companies, if they are looking for job in web development technology, and as a PHP developer or backend developer, so and any other developer like web developer. There are many roles, or name of the roles of the positions on web development. So if a candidate basically wanted to understand and learn web development, basically backend development, so it is very helpful course for him or her. Basically all the backend technologies and all the web development companies use these backend technologies like PHP and MySQL, and this is very popular web development technology. So that's why I I'll going to show you what is my course content on the online interactive sessions. Okay, I teach PHP with MySQL complete course on online interactive sessions, and all the other courses as I told before. For all these courses I teach in online interactive sessions. Okay, so now today I'll show you what is a full complete PHP training with MySQL. Okay, now going to my document. Here is the complete course name, that is PHP training with MySQL. So what basically we'll learn and why we'll learn MySQL and PHP I already described. Basically web development, all web development companies use these technologies as a backend, so it is a very high chance to get your job, or if you really learn these technologies, backend technologies, and this is very demanded technology, and almost all small and large web development company use PHP and MySQL database. Okay, so your learning, and if you make your skill in PHP and MySQL, then it will be a very you will be very industry ready candidate. Okay, and I see actually about my introduction, I'm a web consultant and technical and corporate trainer, and also I'm an interviewer. Okay, so this is my course content I'll provide you right now. I'm describing you what is the course content of my PHP online training course. Okay, with MySQL, and this MySQL is also included in this PHP training. Basically, it is very much required for backend development, so that's why PHP training is in MySQL is the complete course name, and you will learn MySQL also with PHP. Okay, so this course contains 25 modules. I'll just share. Now I'll just read out what are the course content is. So PHP module 1 is the topics and subtopics details are first module we'll discuss about why PHP, and PHP introduction to PHP, and second module we'll discuss about installation of PHP and MySQL database. Okay, so we will install the PHP and MySQL database to work with PHP and MySQL. In module 3 we'll discuss about your first PHP program, how we can write our PHP program, first PHP program. Then we'll cover PHP variables, PHP constants, etc. Okay, and module 4 will discuss about data types and commands in PHP, how they will be used. PHP module 5 is about to explain the PHP operators, and module 6 will learn about echo and print function in PHP, and next PHP 7 module is about to discuss PHP numeric functions, PHP string functions, and module 8 will discuss about control structures, and 9 module is about to discuss loops in PHP. Various loops are there in PHP programming, so we'll discuss all the loops, and we'll show their practical use. And in module 10 we'll discuss about file inclusion, and there are file inclusion, very important thing in PHP. And module 11 will cover PHP functions. Module 12 I'll going to cover arrays in PHP. Module 13 is about to discuss PHP system variables. 14 module is to discuss file handling in PHP, and modules 15 is for discussing PHP sessions, very much important topic, sessions. So we'll cover all the details about the sessions. And PHP module 16 is about PHP cookies. This is also very important. 17 module is about PHP email, how do we can send email through PHP programming. And 18 module is about discuss about PHP form handling, how we can handle forms through the PHP programming. And PHP form validation, we can validate the form also. 19 module will discuss about web server and client concepts. So basically web development or website runs on web server, and we'll discuss about how a domain and hosting are connected, or client or server connected connected, and how a website is basically uploads when we request for a website. Okay, now PHP module 20 is about to discuss PHP with MySQL. Okay, so here MySQL part is started, and we'll learn about introduction to MySQL in 21 module. MySQL data types, creating tables, MySQL commands like creating, create, update, insert and delete statements. 22nd module discussing about PHP functions for MySQL. What are the PHP various functions for which are used in MySQL, and database connectivity through the PHP to MySQL database connectivity, and various operations we will discuss, we'll show, we'll see what are the different operations we can do through our front end using PHP programming with the backend database like MySQL. Okay, and 23rd module will discuss about displaying data from MySQL on web page. Okay, 24th module will completely make a web development, we completely make a dynamic website development, and using the PHP and MySQL. So this is the complete dynamic website we'll create, and we'll and we'll see how it is to be created. Okay, how we can create this dynamic website. So in 25th module, actually all the complete, after completion of all the course content, will take two tests. Actually you have to give two tests, practice test 1 and practice test 2, which evaluates your learning and skills. Okay, so this is very important. So and all the topics will be covered in very easy and understandable way, so that even without any programming knowledge, a candidate can understand and can learn this web development technology. Okay, and this PHP programming. Okay, so now I'll discuss about what the details and joining information. Here is the joining information. Duration is 20 hours plus 1 hours of for exam, that is I already shown you. Practice test 1 and practice test 2, and its fees is INR 15,500 or $203. There are actually two fee modules, two fee options. One is for full time one time payment, and one is for installment payment. If you pay in installment, that will be 17,000 or $222.65. Okay, so this is for one time payment before joining, and this is for two installment payment, total of two installment payment. Okay, and this mode is completely online interactive classes. There will be no pre-recorded videos. You can directly interact with me. You can directly ask your question about your doubts, and you can clear your doubts. Okay, after each sessions or within each sessions. Okay, and also hands-on assignments will be given after each sessions, so that you can practice hands-on in your as a home task. Okay, and payment mode is fees have to be paid or transfer to bank account. To get the bank details, account details, you can contact in this email ID. Actually you have to join this course, you have to pay fees, this fees to directly transfer to the bank account, and you just email in this email ID to get the bank data account details, so that you can transfer your fees to the bank account. Okay, so in this email ID you will get the reply about with the details of bank account. Okay, and payment terms is 100% in advance before start for one time course. One time payment for one, if you want to pay one time, it should be paid 100% in advance. That is, I already said, 15,500 INR, or $2,203. And installment payment total fees is 17,000 INR, and it can be paid in two installments. First installment, that is advance payment for INR 10,000, that is around $130.91, and second installment payment is on the fourth day session. Before the fourth day session, the second payment, installment payment, has to be made by the candidate, that is INR 7,000, or it is $91.64. Okay, and the time slots and training days are Saturday and Sunday, basically weekend batch this is, and the timing is 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST time, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. Total day or class or sessions is 7. Okay, 7 days training, and each day will be 3 hours, 6 to 9 p.m. IST, and it is the weekend batch. Okay, and if somebody has some concern about joining weekend batch, they can discuss on email to the email ID, so that we can discuss over the timing about the convenience of both trainer and trainee. Okay, and this admission is open. Contact immediate soon, and class will start soon. Okay, so this is going to start very soon, this class, so just book your seat immediately, and only one batch has 20 participants. Okay, fine. Now there is a disclaimer: this course is for only learning and making skill. Okay, you will get step by step learning, and you will get hands on, you will get assignments to practice, to grow your skills, to make your skills. Okay, no certificate will be provided after the completion, because today's job market does not ask for any course completion certificate, right? I have total of around 15 plus years experiences, so I see whatever job market is. I have taken many interviews on this technology, and I have seen also there is no requirement of certificate to get a job right now. If you have skills, the interviewer will ask for only they will test for your skills and check your knowledge, and whatever the skills, and whatever your hands-on expertise with the technology. Okay, so which definitely you can cover in this training course, which all definitely you can cover. And if you have any educational degree certificate, like you have a BA graduation degree, that will be added advantage. Okay, if you have graduation degree, that's well, not any certificate required. If you have to just gain knowledge and make your skill and grow your skill, learn step by step with hands-on practical experiences. So now the next point is hands-on project work will be given, and have to be completed. You have to be completed, okay, and have to be submitted. And there is also a one project inside the course I already described, fully dynamic website development using PHP and MySQL. Apart from that, one project has to be assigned for each candidate, different project, and that will be that you have to be completed and submit after completion of the course, okay. And prerequisite is already I told, anyone who can interested to learn web development, okay. Anyone who just interested to learn web development, there is no prerequisite or if you have knowledge of HTML and CSS, that will be the added advantage for you, but it is not mandatory, okay. And if you don't have the HTML CSS knowledge, whatever required HTML CSS knowledge, that will be covered in this course. Fine, okay. I think you are very eager to join this course, as I already get many requests when we can start this course like this. So that's why I make this video and uploaded here, so that all the people can see and join in this course. And fees are very affordable, and it is complete PHP course with MySQL database. Both course you can learn in one course, okay. Both the technology you can learn in one course, PHP training with the MySQL. So but course fee is very affordable. I keep it affordable because so that most of the people can get benefit of this course and can join this course, okay, and can learn the web development, okay. So that's all for this session. Thank you very much for watching this session, and just like this video and all other videos in my YouTube channel, what I already shown you. After watching, if you get benefit of it, and if my video if my if my video will add values to your learning, just give a like and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and colleagues through various medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, then LinkedIn, okay, and also WhatsApp group, okay, so that your friends and colleagues, they are also can learn from my video and grow the skill, okay. And if your friends and colleagues, whoever your known any known to you, you can just you can just share this session also. Them if they interested for joining this PHP training, PHP MySQL training, okay, just share this video to them also, okay, so that all the people get benefit of it after taking the course. They can learn well, and they can utilize this in the professional workplace, okay. So thank you very much for watching this. Just give a like if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, so that when I upload the next video, you'll get the notification. And also share this video with your friends and colleagues. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye.